Launching a Django web application is the kind of task that can easily take several hours, even for an experienced developer. You need to provision a VPS, install the right Python version, set up a virtual environment, install Django and dependencies, configure a database, set up a WSGI server like Gunicorn or UWSGI, configure an Nginx reverse proxy, obtain an SSL certificate, set up static files, create a superuser, and define allowed hosts. Only after all that can you actually start writing application code. The standard approach is to do everything manually over SSH, step by step, constantly checking documentation. It's tedious, and any mistake in an Nginx config or file permissions sends you digging through logs to find the cause. A faster, less painful alternative is HOSTKEY pre-configured Django image. Django is a high-level Python web framework built on the batteries included philosophy. Out of the box, you get an ORM for PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and Oracle, an auto-generated admin interface, URL routing with named routes, a templating engine with inheritance, forms with built-in validation, a full authentication and user management system, caching mechanisms, and internationalization tools. Django powers projects of all sizes, from simple landing pages to high-load services with serious security requirements. HOSTKEY deploys a ready-to-use Django server in just a few minutes, a working environment, a running application server, and admin access available immediately after installation. Now let's see how to order it. Open the InVPI, HOSTKEY, COM control panel, create an account if you don't have one yet, and after signing in, go to New Instance Servers. Choose a server region, open the Virtual Servers tab, and select your configuration. Django's minimum requirements are modest: 1 vCPU, 1 GB RAM, and 15 GB of disk space. That's enough to deploy the framework, run migrations, and launch your first app. For a real project with a database, static files, and live traffic, it's better to choose a more comfortable setup: 2 vCPU, 4 GB RAM, and at least 40 GB of SSD storage. For high-load applications with many concurrent requests, you'll want more resources. After choosing the configuration, go to Software, Apps and Panels, and select Django. Optionally, in Automatization, you can set a convenient server name. Then choose your billing period. The longer the term, the higher the discount, and click Order. Once the server is ready, you'll receive an email sent to the address you used during registration. It contains the server IP address, login, and password. The same information is also available in the InVPI server card under Info, Tags. What we need is the Web Panel tag. It contains the link to the deployed Django application. Copy it and open it. The Django Admin panel URL looks like https Django server ID, HOSTKEY, in admin. This opens the standard Django admin interface. The login is root, and the password is the one from your deployment email. Right after the first login, it's recommended to change the password. Click Change Password in the top right corner. Enter your current password, then your new password twice, and click Change My Password. Done. The admin panel is now protected with your new password. At this point, you have a working Django server, Python, a virtual environment, a running application server, a database, and SSL. Everything is already configured. You can move straight to development. Connect to the server via SSH. Go to the project directory and work with the code as usual. Create apps with StartApp. Define models in models.py, register them in admin.py with a single line, and after running migrations, those models automatically appear in the Django admin panel alongside users and groups. No extra UI configuration is needed. Django generates forms for creating and editing records based on your model definitions. That's exactly why developers love Django. You describe your data structure in code, and the admin interface for managing that data appears automatically. HOSTKEY's pre-configured image removes the environment setup overhead so you can focus on application logic. This image is perfect for development, test environments, demos, and small production projects. For high-load applications with thousands of concurrent users, you'll typically move the database to a separate server, add caching with Redis, and scale horizontally by running multiple Gunicorn worker processes behind a load balancer, all of which can be done on top of this image without reinstalling anything. Django gives you a powerful web framework, and HOSTKEY gives you a ready-to-use environment so you don't waste a day setting it up. Why it's convenient to deploy Django on HOSTKEY, a ready-to-use marketplace app. Python, Django, database, and web server are set up automatically. The admin panel is available right after installation. The login and link are sent to your email. SSL is configured out of the box on the HOSTKEY, in technical domain. Low hardware requirements. Start on an entry-level plan and scale as you grow. Region choice based on project needs and data requirements. 24/7 infrastructure support. Try Django on HOSTKEY today. The link is in the description.